welcome to my vlog and Happy New Year to everyone. This year, we started our year with this snowstorm, and it's been 3 days now since it's snowstorming here in Norway. And get ready with me because we are going to plow the snow because it's so thick now. And I will show you what happened to our terrace right now. See that? What is happening? Look at that. House is there. And yes, it is hard for us to remove this because look, it is. We cannot. It's bumping. It's bumping. And we will just close it. Okay, let's go. Actually, don't know what is happening outside now. I mean, outside the main door. So let's see. It's a lot of snow, or maybe not much snow. But we will see, or else we will do the plowing so much today. See you! Trash. I need to trash this first before doing some plowing. Okay, I will show you guys the outside. Let's check the middle first. Wait. There's actually a lot. You just all this with me and we're going to trash this. Let's go. It is damn so cold outside. Look, I will show you our garage. There. I knew it. My husband took it. There. That's our shovel. And we're going to shovel the ice. I mean the snow later. Okay. It is so cold. Look. I'll show you guys when I get there. Okay. Bye. Hey guys, I'm back and I am going to take the shovel so I can start with working with this snow because it is so thick. This is my shovel. I mean, this is our shovel. My husband took this because he has to go to work today. Now I'm going back to the house and so I can start with my shoveling. See you! tired. Bye for now. And I am so tired now. Look. I made a pile. Yes. Bye. Look. This is okay enough for halo-halo. I can make this for halo-halo now. Halo-halo everyone! Shredded ice. You want shredded ice? There you go. Oh, I am so tired. So tired, and I'm going to put this free blush on. So do you guys want to go to Norway? Come to Norway and you guys will experience this one. Okay, that's it, and thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys like it, and if you want some vlog suggestions, please let me know. You can just comment here below. Okay, comment below, and see you in my next vlog. Bye bye, adios.